Hello everyone. I thought we'll start with something nice and simple today, and the tutorial will be about adding factory ammo. So over here. So we've logged in. Reloading Studio gives you an ability to catalog factory ammunition that you have. I already have some in here, but we'll work on adding one from scratch. So add factory ammo. We'll click this button here. We talked about batch name before, so in my case, I'm going to be adding some Hornady liver Lucian, whatever they call. So my batch name will be Hornady 44, so it's 44 Magnum, and it'll be batch 01. In our case, it's not milsurp ammo. It's not an open box. It's brand new. It's 20 rounds in a box because Hornady doesn't like us to have fun. Hornady, which is the brand. I'm not going to bore you with typing, so I'll just cut and paste model name. So liver evolution and the product number. Of course, it could be anything, but in my case, that's what it is. Bullet type, FTX, caliber, 44 Remington Magnum, and bullet weight is 225 grains. So at this point, we're done. The only thing we can add is maybe a picture of the box or a picture of the cartridge. Just nice to have a visual cue. So we can click on select files, and it'll open it in a file manager, and you can select a file, or you can drag one from your desktop or wherever. So that's what I'm doing now. And that's about it. We'll click save. Actually, what we need to do first is we'll need to upload this image. So if I click save, I'm going to get a reminder that image needs to be uploaded first. So that's what we're going to do. And we're going to save. So at this point, we're pretty much done. If we click back, we'll see this Hornady ammunition here. Current quantity versus original quantity. So it's pretty much everything where it needs to be. And we'll talk about this control C in a different tutorial. So we'll go back in here and we'll talk about certain controls that we haven't used. So is milsurp now like a Mosin spam can, Swedish Mouse, a battle pack, whatever it is. If it's not factory ammo but rather milsurp, you can actually select that. If it's an open box, you can say it's open. Or what you can do is you can go, actually, I fired some of it, and I fired 4 rounds in a firearm. So we'll save this and we'll close, and is open will be automatically added. We'll update, and this is it. We'll say, okay, well, we actually have 16 rounds. We fired 4. It's been fired in a particular firearm, and we're done. The added benefit is if we actually go to rifles and have a look for our Marlin, we'll see that the round count on the barrel is now 4. So we can actually add how many shots we fired through a firearm using our factory ammo. And we can do this for different firearms. So if we have another firearm, maybe a revolver, or here we go, Smith & Wesson revolver, and we'll say we fired 5 shots through this. We'll see that our quantity is dynamically updated. We'll update this, and we'll actually go to our handguns, and we'll notice that our Smith & Wesson has 5 rounds against the barrel. So that's pretty much it. That's all there is to it to factory ammunition.